All right, so this is May 2018 question 3b. It says the diagram below shows triangle OPQ, and the first thing we're asked to do is to state the coordinates to the point Q. All right, so Q is on the vertical line, x is equal to 4, and the horizontal line, y is equal to 1. Therefore, Q is the point 4, 1. Next, we're told that the line PQ is mapped onto P prime, Q prime by an enlargement, center O, which is the origin, and scale factor 3. It says that on the diagram above, draw the line P prime, Q prime. All right, so to do this enlargement, this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to use the fact that whatever is the distance from the center to the object, to get to the image, I must multiply that distance by k. In other words, the distance from the center to the image is equal to k multiplied by the distance from the center to the object. From the center, which is the origin, to P, I had to go what? 2 right and what? 2 up. Now, to get to the image of P, I must triple that distance, multiply the distance by 3. So that means I'd have to go 6 right and 6 up. This would be the new position of P. This is P prime. From the center to Q, it is 4 right and what? 1 up. To get to the image, I have to go what? Multiply that distance by 3. So 4 right would become what? 12 right. 1 up would become 3 up. This would be the new position of Q. That would be Q prime. And then all that remains now is for me to use my ruler and draw a straight line connecting the 2 points. I'm doing it by freehand, but when you do it in the actual exam, you must use a ruler. Last part of the question. Next, we're told that triangle OPQ undergoes a reflection in the line y is equal to 0. Now, first of all, the line y is equal to 0 is the x-axis. This is the line y is equal to 0. The line y is equal to 0 is the x-axis. So I'm going to reflect this triangle in the x-axis. It says to produce the triangle O double prime, P double prime, Q double prime. It says on the diagram above, draw a triangle O double prime, P double prime, Q double prime. So here's what we know about a reflection. In a reflection, the object and the image are the same distance from the mirror line on either sides of the mirror line. In a reflection, the object and the image are the same distance from the mirror line on either sides of the mirror line. So P is 2 units from the mirror line. The object P prime is 2 units from the mirror line as well, but on the other side. So 1, 2, this would be the new position of P. This is P double prime. Q is 1 unit from the mirror line being the x-axis, which is the line y is equal to 0. All right. Now Q double prime would also be 1 unit from the mirror line, but on the other side of the mirror line. So this would be Q double prime. Now lastly, O is on the mirror line. And in a reflection, a point that is on the mirror line is invariant. In other words, in a reflection, a point that is on the mirror line does not move. So therefore, a point on the mirror line is both the object and the image. So O is going to remain where it is, and this becomes O, sorry, not Q, O double prime. Now all that remains is for us to use our ruler and connect the vertices. All right, let me try and get a better. You would use a ruler so you wouldn't have any problem. All right. So that would be the final triangle. And that, I believe, is the end of the question.